Prepare your design as a PDF. If you are unsure of how to use software such as Adobe to do this, you can Google JPEG to PDF converter and utilize one of those services. If you are wanting to cut out a detailed custom shape known as a contour cut, make sure your PDF contains vector data. If you are unfamiliar with the difference between vector and raster images and would like to learn more, please ask Makerspace staff for help. If you only need your stickers cut out in a basic shape though, you don't need to worry about vectors. As long as you've saved the design as a PDF, you're good to go. Title your PDF with your university username, then an underscore followed by a name for the design. If you are printing for a club, also add the club name to the start of the file. If you have multiple designs you want to print, save them as individual PDF files. You can resize, multiply and tile them at a later stage. Upload your PDF to the Makerspace PC. Place it in the vinyl printing folder for the particular month you are in. Drag your PDF from here into the VersaWorks program. Make sure you drop it into the correct queue for the material you want to print on. Right-click on your file and select Job Assistant. Select the cutting line section. From here you can create many different kinds of cut line. In this first example, we want to simply cut around the edge of this image. To do this, select Create Cutting Line as your editing method. For the type of cut option, make sure cut is chosen, rather than perforated. Then, under the Type of Contour section, choose Bounding Box. Make sure your image is selected, then click Create. You will see a magenta dashed line around the edge. This is where your sticker will be cut. Just make sure that when you select this option, the cut line is visible. Sometimes the bounding box extends past the visible border. To fix this, just drag to resize the cut line shape. If you want to cut a circle design, this option won't work. Select the Draw Cutting Line option instead. Here you can manually place a circle or square cut line. Click Draw and then resize the cut line until it fits your design. One thing to note is that if you cut right on the edge of your design like this, you may get an annoying white border. To avoid this, place the cut line just inside your design like so. If you have a slightly more complicated design, you can draw and combine multiple shapes. First, draw the shapes how you want them. Then select the Merge Multiple Cutting Lines option and select all your shapes by using the Shift key. Click Merge and your custom cut line is created. If you want a more complex custom shape, then your PDF will require vector data as mentioned earlier. In this vector image example, each segment can be selected individually. While in the Create Cutting Line section, use Ctrl+A to highlight the entire design. Make sure Outline is selected in the Type of Contour section. Click Create and you will get a custom shape all around the edge of your design. In this example, you'll notice the middle area is also cut out. If you don't want this, change the Cut Interior option to Do Not Cut. Another feature allows you to offset the cut line, giving your sticker a border. To use this feature, change the offset number before creating. In some designs, this will result in spiky shapes like this. A solution to this problem is to play around with the corner shape options. Rounded corners often work best for stickers. Once you are happy with your cut lines, click OK on the bottom right corner and confirm your choices. This will make a copy of your original file. Delete this original, as it doesn't contain the new cut line data. Select your file and click Settings. This is where you will decide the size and quantity of your stickers. Alter the scaling options to resize your design. Type in how many copies of the design you would like. Note: the vinyl is cut horizontally off the roll, so try to avoid too much wasted white space like this. Play with the quantity, spacing and orientation options until you are happy with your print. You can also click and drag the designs if the default placement is not the best. Click one of the option boxes to snap everything back into default placement. If you have multiple designs, use the Shift key, select all of them, right-click and choose Nest. You are then able to change the same settings as before, but now with multiple designs on the same sheet. Printing in the Makerspace is free for all UC students and staff, but there are limits. Please keep your print under the maximum of 500 mm per person or club per week. You can find how big your print is on the right side of VersaWorks after changing all your settings. It is the second number under Print Area. If you need to print something bigger, please chat to Makerspace staff. We will run the printer a few times a week, and we'll let you know by email when your print is ready to pick up. Now, all you need to do is complete the quick induction quiz linked below, and you're all ready to get printing. Just see Makerspace staff when you log your first print to get your induction stamp.